Bonjour everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into an essential aspect of French grammar, les articles indéfinis or indefinite articles. These little words play a crucial role in determining the gender and plurality of nouns in French. So let's unravel the mystery behind a, une and they. Indefinite articles in French refer to unspecified persons or things, much like a or an in English, and the plural is akin to some. Today, we are focusing on three key forms, a, une, and they. Each has its own role in the French language. Let's break it down. First up, we have masculine singular indefinite article a. This is used for singular masculine noun. For example, a crayon, a stylo, a livre, a garçon, un ami. Moving on to the feminine singular indefinite article une. This is used for singular feminine nouns. For instance, une voiture, une pomme, une télé, une fille, and une amie. When it comes to plural indefinite article, we use they for both masculine and feminine nouns. So, des gommes, des règles, des chocolats, des parfums, and des taxis. Let's quickly recap. A for singular masculine noun, une for singular feminine noun, and they for both masculine and feminine plural nouns. And now it's practice time. Try to fill in the blanks with the correct indefinite articles. You have just mastered the basics of indefinite articles in French. These little words may seem small, but they play a big role in constructing sentences accurately. Practice makes perfect, so keep honing your skills. Solve this worksheet and send your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Merci for joining us today. Hope you like this video. If you enjoyed this video, do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. À la prochaine. À bientôt. Goodbye.